name's Zac and I teach the ukulele and the guitar sometimes for evolution. This is a beginner's ukulele course that I'll be talking about now. What we often do, what I like to do is start on one string and then just find some notes like this. Playing each note. Things like this. Simple things. Once you can learn to do this, then you can also learn to do a chord. If you play all the strings. Once you've got a chord or two, you can start to learn some rhythms. If you combine things together, I messed that up.